I'm about to get back out in the snow and this blizzard we having here in New York City. So I'm gonna go outside and try and take a couple of give you clips of what's going on outside.
Akon, talk to them.
Yo, show you what this snow is looking like, man. It's so blowing so hard. Just came out, back out. Hammer is getting wet. I'm not even do this that long.
In need of change and fixing. Government officials get the power, but they are backbiting. Entrenching patriotism, while they keep steady mobbing. They talk to me like I's a dummy and I hard of hearing. How's this for journalism? The streets want you dead, no prison. Guns, coke, trying to shoot me, killing is our realism. Daily news, no plagiarism. You destroyed my population. Front page news, you can blast across an AK.
This is my neighborhood. Snowstorm is blowing hard. See, it's like getting my camera wet. I ain't get this that long.
Don't cry when the gavel pounding. I'm here to show you how to stand up and just who we fighting. People shouldn't be afraid of the government. Government should be scared of the people. No more of this neighborhood warring. Unite as equal people. Let's make a plan. Let's take this fight to the steps of the legislature. I got your front. You hold my back. We can show them our active stature.
He stayed in right there. You can barely see it. Snow's blowing so hard. Goodness. Yo.
My life good, man. I don't really want to brag, but I gotta like it now. And I know a lot of niggas hate that. Tell them this they song. Yeah, I'm certified. You can see it with your name.
I'm real nice and warm. Coat. I'm like hot. Real hard.
They show your boy love, nigga. I ain't lying. Why you think I walk around there and I just smile? Cheers to the best. Feel like a rest. Maybe I'm blessed. Never gonna rest. Well, maybe a peace win. The nigga is deceased, but I'm not here. See niggas know I'ma kill everything out. Murder one flow, trying to be the best thing out. Close to the game now. People wanna hang out. Ladies see the waves and they want me to bang out. Fuck them. Later on I love them, then I'm back to the money.
Going to this diner right here.
It's like really looking good to y'all now. While I'm wanna try to take
got some food.
Did it ever really occur to you or sink in that I was the boy that could do it all? You must have thought that I was gonna sit on my talent and let you use it so you could ball now. But how you think they call me wise? Not to be cute, bitch, recognize. Man, I'm on a song with Benny and Akon and I ain't even signed.
Yeah, this snow was whipping real hard, B. I'm telling you. You know, I got that Willow song stuck in my head.
Look at my nation, yeah, some feel admiration and offer congratulations, but others are way past hate. They see our leaders as Satan. We think it's all for the taking. We think we've been forgiven. Nah, it's just they just that patient. When I look at my people, a part of me agree too. How they put us through hell and put us all underneath the steeple, so we can sing some songs about all the things that's wrong. And if you think that's gonna help, we can keep dreaming on. It's all mirrors and smoke. Make it clear it's a joke. When he had the church, leave all the children hurt. Tell me where is the Pope? Obama sold you hope, and since you real, you cope. He told us we was gonna make change, and yet still you won't. So I put my soul on pages for all the neos in the Matrix. They know it's still wonderful, even when they facing all the foes and the hatred. And all the jokers and fakers just make me focus my lasers. I just show them poker faces while I'm holding aces.
Yeah, we on our classical stuff right about now. You know, we always have to keep it nice and neat for this. When you don't know this is big bad. Rockstar flashing lights like a cop car. Game over, motherfucker, call me Jigsaw. Done the top, my dogs don't like rah-rah. Step up on your face, wearing Chuck's college trench shaw. Turn your skin black and blue like an avatar. Body leaking many colors like a salad bar. They call me Mr. Wah Wah. 24/7, my clothes black like that car. I talking blacker than Akon. Hardcore, so I always have to dress warm. My mohawk keep me strong like Solomon.
Got what I need, got my food.
Sing along. I will have your parents sing along a church song. Send them fuckers crazy, drink water from a bong bong. We don't deal with no type of hell spawn. Tag along, hanging on to what we got going on. I suggest you wear hats and scarves that's made from Teflon. My boy, cause we don't turn it on. When it's on and on, ain't no coming back. I know what shells don't fall, dukes, we catch that.
Barely see a half a block away.
Back from the brag of that. Clorox on the hands, you can't trace that. If this is too much for your stomach to digest that, then it's time for us to sit down with the bureaucrats. Motherfucker, I don't tell you to fall back. You won't listen till I rinse your scrap a hard slap. Have your face pushed back like a reggae DJ. Select the one the track and I pull back.
See all the rain there is, electronic rain is, cold snow over here. All the patio stuff. Cold snow. Even up on the deck. Around the house and the feet. It's like snow. And the next door. Their big house too.
We got my dude Rami on the beach. I thought we going all the way to Lebanon to get one beach. You know what I'm saying?
Over there, down there, the next door, they cover with snow as well.